Right now, AI is generating 4.6 billion images every single day. That's more than humans have created in the entire history of photography combined. But that's just the beginning. 10 groundbreaking AI tools are about to flip your world upside down in 2025. We're talking about AI that can read your mind, create entire movies from a single sentence, and even predict your death with 90% accuracy. One of these tools has already replaced 40% of customer service jobs at major companies. Another can write code faster than teams of programmers. And number 1. It's so powerful that governments are trying to ban it. Stick around because what you're about to learn will change how you see the future forever. Number 10. AI code generators that write software in seconds. GitHub Copilot now writes 46% of all code on the platform. That means nearly half of all programming is now done by AI. Junior developers are panicking because AI can build entire apps from simple descriptions. You type what you want, and boom. Full website, complete with databases and user interfaces. Companies are cutting their development teams in half. The average app that took 6 months to build now takes 3 weeks. If you're in tech, you better learn to work with AI or get left behind. Number 9. AI therapists that never sleep and cost 95% less than humans. Wobot has already conducted over 2 million therapy sessions. These AI counselors are available 24/7 and cost just $39 per month. Compare that to human therapy at $200 per session. They remember every conversation you've ever had. They never judge you. And here's the shocking part. Patients report feeling more comfortable opening up to AI than humans. Mental health treatment is becoming accessible to millions who couldn't afford it before. Number 8. AI tutors that adapt to your exact learning style in real time. Khan Academy's AI tutor can explain quantum physics like you're 5 years old. Or teach calculus through cooking recipes if that's how your brain works. It knows exactly where you're struggling before you do. Students using AI tutors improve their test scores by 43% on average. The education system that hasn't changed in 200 years. It's about to get completely revolutionized. Every kid will have a personal Einstein as their teacher. Number 7. AI that predicts medical emergencies before they happen. Google's AI can detect diabetic eye disease with 90% accuracy just from a photo. It spots cancers that human doctors miss 15% of the time. But here's the crazy part. It can predict heart attacks up to 5 years before they happen. Just by analyzing your voice patterns during a phone call. Hospitals using this AI have reduced emergency room deaths by 18%. Your smartphone might soon warn you about health problems before you feel any symptoms. Number 6. AI video generators creating Hollywood-quality movies from text prompts. Sora can generate 60-second videos that look completely real. Type a dog driving a car through Tokyo at night and watch it happen. Film studios are freaking out because entire commercials are being made without cameras, actors, or sets. The visual effects industry that employs 50,000 people. Half those jobs are disappearing. Anyone with an idea can now create professional videos. The democratization of filmmaking is happening right now. Number 5. AI scientists making discoveries faster than entire research teams. Google's AI just discovered 2.2 million new materials in a single study. That's more than humans discovered in all of history. It designed new antibiotics, better solar panels, and stronger metals. Drug discovery that used to take 15 years now happens in 18 months. AI is literally accelerating human progress by decades. We are entering an age where scientific breakthroughs happen weekly instead of yearly. Number 4. AI that clones your voice so perfectly, your mom can't tell the difference. 11 labs can replicate anyone's voice from just 30 seconds of audio. Celebrities are licensing their voices to AI for millions of dollars. But here's the dark side. Scammers are using this to steal money from elderly people. They call pretending to be their grandchildren in trouble. Voice cloning fraud has increased by 350% this year. Soon, you won't be able to trust phone calls anymore. Number 3. AI employees that work 24/7 and never ask for raises. Devin, the AI software engineer, can complete entire freelance projects solo. It builds websites, fixes bugs, and even handles client communications. Companies are hiring AI workers for $500 per month instead of humans for $5,000. These digital employees don't take sick days, don't need vacation time, and work around the clock. White-collar jobs are vanishing faster than anyone predicted. The great AI job displacement has officially begun. Number 2. AI that reads your thoughts and translates them into actions. Neuralink patients can control computers just by thinking about moving a cursor. Type 90 words per minute using only their mind. Paralyzed people are walking again with AI-controlled prosthetics. But it gets wilder. Scientists can now decode your dreams and display them on screens. The barrier between your thoughts and the digital world is disappearing. Your brain might soon be the ultimate computer interface. And number 1. The most game-changing AI tool of 2025. General artificial intelligence that matches human intelligence across every domain. It can think, reason, and create at superhuman levels. Unlike ChatGPT, which is great at some things, AGI will be better than humans at everything. Writing, coding, art, science, strategy, you name it. OpenAI claims they are 18 months away from achieving this. When AGI arrives, it'll be like giving every person on Earth a genius-level assistant. But here's what's terrifying. Once AI becomes smarter than humans, we have no idea what happens next. It could solve climate change and cure cancer. Or it could decide humans are unnecessary. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening in the next 2 years. The world as we know it is about to change forever. If this blew your mind, smash that subscribe button right now. I'm dropping daily AI updates that'll keep you ahead of the curve while everyone else gets left behind. Tomorrow, I'm revealing the secret AI tool that billionaires use to predict stock markets with 87% accuracy. You won't want to miss that. Hit the bell, follow me on social media, and let's ride this AI wave together. The future is coming whether you're ready or not.